Welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney Burks, and today I'm going to be showing you all how I got these beautiful voluminous curls. So I'm not even going to waste your time by doing these long intros, but what I will say is before we get into the video, do me a huge favor and go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and click that big red button. If you want, click the bell notifications as well so you know when I get when I have my next uploads. And lastly, I'm on the road to 10K followers on Instagram. So go ahead and follow me at Courtney Burks on all social media platforms. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So as you can see, I have some nice, beautiful, voluminous curls. This hair is actually from Maven Hair. I'm gonna have everything that I use in the description box below. And so basically what I did is I curled, I separated the hair into different sections and I curled each piece and I flexi rodded it. And so this is a very beginner friendly video on how I achieve these beautiful curls. So I hope this helps you. So I am going to go ahead and show you all what I did. Okay guys, so as you can see here, I have freshly straightened hair, okay guys? And I am just going to begin this whole process. So after I wash and blow dry my hair, I part it. And I'm holding it in place with literally a clip. And I have my curler. This is a Conair. I believe it's 1 1/4 inch. And I'm straightening it all the way down. And then I'm rolling it the opposite way. So what you want to make sure of is making sure that you see where my thumb is, that little clamp, the little thing that goes click, click, click. Yep, you want to make sure that's on top at all times. So I'm holding the curl here just to, lock it in. And I messed up right here. Don't do what I just did. I'm going to redo it. Watch. See? Told you. And you want to make sure you lock in those ends before you roll it to the scalp of the wig, okay? I'm going to zoom in real quick. I shouldn't have, but obviously I did. And we're going to repeat this whole process throughout the entire head. Holding it for 30 seconds or more just locks in that curl. Keep in mind, guys, we did bleach this hair 3 times, so it does need a little bit of extra love and care. So make sure you also place some heat protectant on your hair if you've just done too much. Honestly, I use heat protectant no matter what, but y'all, I was doing the most with this wig. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. So as you can see, I'm redoing the process all over again. This is just a kind of really repetitive, just parting it. I try to part it along the bundle so it just makes it all look unified once I take it out. And my wig hair, y'all, it was gonna be hell in hot water. But yes, I am parting, and then as you see, we straighten it down just a little bit, and then we roll, baby, we rolling, okay? We roll it, and then we hold it there for about 30 seconds. We get the Flexi Rod. Now, these Flexi Rods you can actually get from your local beauty supply or Sally's. Honestly, you can also order them off of Amazon as well. So I'm gonna leave all that in the description box below. Y'all, I had messed up. I didn't take my own advice, and I was trying to cheat the process because I was a little tired. But this process takes me about a good hour. I won't lie to you, maybe hour and a half if I'm being serious. I just flexi rod the entire head. I usually try to have some music on or listen to a podcast or have my sermons on because y'all know I love the Lord. And that's just how I just get through this entire little shindig. And it's not hard. This is so easy. I think that this look is really good for people. Maybe if you have a date coming. Oh, I know. Okay, I know we're in quarantine, but if you're getting creative and maybe you're in long distance and you decide to do like a Zoom or Skype date, get your hair looking right with these big voluminous curls. Sorry, y'all, I got a phone call, so I had to pause it. But yes, I think that this look will be very good if you're doing a Zoom date night call for you and your significant other. Maybe you're going to an interview and you really want to impress. I think that if you do it for an interview, make sure that you do it on the 3rd or 4th day because the curls look a little bit more natural instead of like ba-bam, ba-boom, all that fun stuff. But I think that, and this is just my little 2 cents. We've been in quarantine, and I know especially for us women, it's something nice about like just looking nice and doing your hair, even if you're not really going anywhere. It's been a rough couple of months. So fast forward to here, I did the rest of it off camera. And whenever you have a frontal or a closure, make sure that when the hair is wet and it's drying, that you go ahead and part what you want, either middle or side part, before you begin this process. Alright, so we fast forward to here, we're throwing on the wig. I already did my makeup. And y'all, I was just amazed with how beautiful the curls look. The curls, the color, I was excited, okay? I was really excited. So I did not glue it down as well as I would normally do it, just because I only did this wig tutorial, or this curl tutorial for the purposes of YouTube. I actually didn't go nowhere. I was packing up to go to Texas literally the next day, so I didn't want to secure it too much and be on the road looking like a snack, okay? I also will say that whenever you do and put, like, you glue it or secure your wig down, for me personally, I love Got To Be mixed with some Gorilla Snot. I don't like sleeping in wigs, because sometimes, I don't know, like, I know some people that's their flow, but for me, I'd rather take it off and just wrap my hair up every day. And I also feel like it protects my edges as well, which is why I try my best to do glueless methods, because I'm not ruining my edges. No, not at all. So as you can see, also, I finger curled a lot of the curls out, and then I went and I got my big wide tooth comb, which I saw just a few seconds ago. I prefer the wide tooth comb because it makes the curls really like bounce back, hit you in your face, boom, bang, boom. Alright, so here's what I'm about to show you, my secret. Are you ready? Boom. This is the wax stick. So you know how sometimes you have baby hairs in the middle of your head and it just makes your hair look unpolished. So apparently, y'all, I just found this out. Maybe you already knew, but whenever you put the wax and then you put the heat on, it melts those hairs and makes it look very clean cut. Okay, y'all, you can get this from Sally's, Amazon, your local beauty supply. I think I paid like $5 or $6 for it. It wasn't that much at all. And right here, I am just defining, the part just a little bit more, so I can just kind of slap just a little bit of Gorilla Snot mixed with Got To Be, just so I can secure it down a little bit. It looks like I'm roughening up these curls, but I'm really not. You have to play with it to make it look to your desired liking. Other than that, you good to go, y'all. This is a look, okay? I hope that y'all actually try this look out. If you do, please let me know in the comments below, or even follow me on Instagram at Courtney Burks, because I really love seeing these looks, like, especially now that we're in quarantine. If y'all are in a relationship, I know I'm talking to somebody, and you have to get creative whenever you can't see each other due to you trying to be safe and protect one another and not get sick. So this is a perfect way to spice up like a little date night. Okay, so I'm actually about to wrap up this voice recording. I'm just gonna go ahead and say this. This is probably one of my favorite colors / looks. I'm going to be testing out some more methods and remedies with wigs. This look will actually be in my shop, so if you would like to purchase this wig, just let me know in the comments below. And I'll see y'all when I see you. I really appreciate y'all for watching this video. So as you can see, it's really simple. I actually let the hair sit overnight. I did it the night before, knowing that I wanted to film this video the next day. One thing I will say is that I've had this hair for almost a year, and I've dyed it 3 different times. The first time I bleached it, which I have a video on how I did that, which I can put it right here in the cards. And then once I washed it, the red came out, so then I bleached it again, and that's how we got it to here. So I want to say that the hair is really good, but because I believe I should have mixed it with like some Olaplex, I believe I damaged the hair and the hair didn't damage itself, because I do have a wig. She's somewhere in here, and I've had her for almost 3 years, and she's perfectly fine. Like, yeah, she's perfectly fine. So if you want to see how I achieve this color, excuse me, go ahead and let me know in the comments section below, okay? I really want to be more engaged, understand what you all like, what you don't like. And lastly, let me know what hair companies you all like to buy from, because personally right now Maven is my #1 choice, but I do want to expand and learn more about different companies that are good. So do me a huge favor and let me know in the comments below. And that's all I have for you all today. Short, sweet, and straight to the point. Like I said, make sure if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me at Courtney Burks, and I'll see you all next video. Peace.